Imagine you just won a significant amount of money. You're over the moon, but the excitement quickly turns into a whirlwind of thoughts. One pressing question stands out: how do you get your hands on that cash? If the money is sent through Zelle, you'll need to link it to your bank account. But how exactly do you do that? Today, we're going to dive into the world of Zelle and learn how to connect it to your bank account. We'll break down the process step by step so you can quickly and easily access your funds. Before we get started, let's quickly understand what Zelle is. It's a peer-to-peer payment service that makes it easy to send money to friends, family, and even businesses. Think of it as a digital version of cash. Now, why do you need to link Zelle to your bank account? Well, it's the only way to send or receive money using the platform. So, let's get started. Step-by-step guide. Open your banking app. The first step is to open the mobile app of your bank. Most major banks in the United States offer Zelle integration. If you don't see a Zelle option, check your bank's website or contact customer support for assistance. Find the Zelle feature. Once you're in your banking app, look for a section labeled Zelle or something similar. It might be under Payments, Transfers, or Send Money. Enroll in Zelle. Follow the prompts to enroll in Zelle. You might need to provide your mobile number and confirm your identity. Link your bank account. After enrolling, you'll be asked to link your bank account to Zelle. This is where you'll connect the two platforms. Select your primary checking or savings account. Verify your identity. Your bank might require you to verify your identity through a verification code sent to your mobile number or email. Confirm the link. Once you've verified your identity, confirm the link between your bank account and Zelle. Security: always prioritize security. Double-check that you're linking your account to the correct Zelle platform. Be wary of phishing attempts and scams. Fees: some banks might charge fees for using Zelle, so be sure to check your bank's policies. Speed: Zelle transfers typically happen instantly, but there might be exceptions in certain cases. Customer support: if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your bank's customer support. That's it. You've successfully linked your bank account to Zelle. Now you can send and receive money with ease. Remember to always prioritize security and be aware of any fees associated with using Zelle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.